Okay, Hunter, hold on. Okay, Hunter, you were on a docket that I have just to check in on people with respect to attorney status. It appears that an attorney has been appointed for you, a good attorney, Brooks Barfield. But I understand that y'all are still trying to hire somebody.
Yes.
Who are you trying to hire?
We don't have anybody yet. We are speaking right now.
Well, can you tell me who you're trying to work with, or do you have anybody in mind here?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Well, okay. We've appointed Brooks Barfield for you. You know, you're entitled to hire your own counsel if that's what you want to do. I don't know that you'll do better than Brooks, but you are certainly entitled to hire somebody. But for right now, Brooks is your attorney. And so if you decide to consult with him about your matter, so be it. Then he'll work with you and see if he can get this matter resolved for you. If you hire somebody, they'll need to send us a letter to reflect that they represent you. Do you understand?
Your Honor, may I speak?
Sure.
My name is Marcie Schreck. I am Hunter's mother. And
Okay.
I signed that piece of paper under duress. And that is not our wishes. Hunter told from the start that he did not want a public defender, that he wanted his private attorney. And due to nothing of us, we have been unable so far to retain someone right now. And we do not want Brooks Barfield. I was told that if we did not retain a public defender or somebody immediately, that the bond would be forfeited and that Hunter would go into jail. So I would sort of sign that paper under duress, sir.
Well, if you don't want Mr. Barfield to represent Hunter, that's up to you.
We asked for an extension. Is that okay?
Well, I think this has been on here's the deal. Hunter can represent himself if that's what he wants to do. But at some point in time, this is going to go on a docket where I'm going to deal with it.
I understand.
And it's best for you to have an attorney at that point.
Right.
And so the reason that you've been encouraged the way you have been encouraged is because if this matter gets on a docket, then you've been given plenty of opportunity to find somebody. And I'm sorry if you're not finding somebody. But again, Brooks is a very competent attorney. It doesn't matter whether I don't know why you think that's a bad idea, but it doesn't matter to me. The bottom line is this: if this matter gets on a docket and you don't have an attorney, or you don't want Brooks to represent you, then Hunter will be representing himself, and that would be a bad idea.
Well, Your Honor, I asked for an extension. We do not want Mr. Barfield.
Well, he's going to be at least listed as your attorney until such time as you find somebody else to replace him. Okay. We'll let Mr. Barfield know not to take any actions on your matter for right now.
Yes.
But if you find yourself in a position where you aren't able to retain an attorney, and in fact you want somebody to represent Hunter, then Mr. Barfield is totally capable of doing that.
Yes, I understand that. But they also made, Your Honor, they also made a statement that if Hunter is not capable, or what was the words, that he would go to state jail. No, that's not. And here the matter's not even been discussed, and that's what the kind of remarks that are being made to us.
Well, I don't know what remarks have been made to you. Listen, what I'm telling you is the way it's going to be.
Right.
Okay?
Right, but I'm just asking kindly for an extension.
Well, the extension will be until such time as he's put on a docket and he's got to appear before this court to have the matter resolved.
Right.
We need to stay in touch. We need to know what the circumstances are.
And we will. We will keep you posted. We are actively seeking.
But at the same time, I want you to know you don't get an unending open window
Right.
when it comes to getting
Yes, sir.
representation.
Yes, sir.
Now, if you decide Hunter doesn't need representation at all, that's a decision you get to make. I'll visit with him about that, because I really discourage people from representing themselves. It's a bad
Yes.
idea.
Yes, sir.
But I'm not going to take Brooks off of this for right now. I'm going to just tell Brooks to stand down, not take any action. But I want you to know he's there. I want you to understand he's very competent.
Right.
He's very capable of representing Hunter, and it would probably be the most economical thing for you to do.
Right, I
But
understand.
you'll have until such time as Mr. Schreck's matter gets on a docket to be resolved, to get it taken care of. You don't want to wait. So try to get somebody hired, and
Right.
if you don't, well, we'll see you down the road.
Okay, we are actively seeking, Your Honor, so we will keep you
Okay.
posted.
Good luck on that.
Okay, thank you, sir.
You're excused for today.
Thanks.